We gotta make it rain.
The most important thing to all of us is the bonds that we share together. And of course, here we're tonight to celebrate one of the most important bonds two people can make. When anyone asks me about you guys getting married, I always tell them the same thing. No one has ever talked Emily to doing anything she didn't really want to do. And I know she's happy and she's ready to be married to you, Anthony. I also know Anthony's a good man. You're unfailingly kind and good to Emily in a way that's the only thing that matters. With the power vested in me by the state of Louisiana, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss the bride.